Take a look at this. Please like, subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and share this video to all of your friends. Now, let's get into the video.
Alright guys, so welcome to today's mini tutorial, and today we will deal with text filtering in terms of my crew system. So one of you has tried to use that crew system in his or her game, and Roblox took it down because other users were able to apply inappropriate names for their crews. And yeah, I just want to show you guys how you can filter those kind of names in this video. Alright, so we first of all need to import our crew system right here. Okay, and we only need this part for those purposes. You can of course use the sword part as well if you want to apply things like anti-team killing whatsoever. And yeah, so just set this thing up. And now we directly need to go inside of this crew handler thing right here, and we need to write a few things. So we first of all need to import a service or make use of a service called text service. So text service, there we go. And now up here we want to add a variable called filtered name, and let's leave this as empty strings, okay? And now we want to add a p-call, means everything which happens inside of this p-call regarding code, etc. does not break the whole script once it runs into an error. So usually if I would experience an error right here, the script would break, okay? Well, this is maybe not right here, but let's say that we would have some other kind of script, okay? Then it would break and would be unable to run the code again. And a p-call does not break the whole script if it runs into an error. Therefore, we want to use that, okay? So if the code in between those two things succeeds, so between line 12 and 14 succeeds, then this will turn to true, and this will stay empty because there is no error message. So this variable stands for error m message, and if an error appears, then this one receives the error message and this one is false, okay? So what we want to do down here is we want to apply the filter text on our filtered name variable. So how do we do that? We just say filtered name equals the text service, of course, then filter string async, and then the text we want to filter, which is our crew name right here, so crew name, then the user ID of the player, probably to track down those who abuse the usage of inappropriate text. Okay, so we have this, and this returns an object to which we want to apply another function, okay, just to convert this into a filtered string. So that function is get none. Wait, I actually need to look it up because. Okay, so get non-chat string, etc. whatsoever. So this filters it into a appropriate string, and now we have our filtered name right here, and we only want to apply this on our overhead GUI. And apparently this does not work in Studio, I think, but I'm still gonna check. So to the younger viewers, please close your eyes. I'm gonna enter a very bad word into it. Okay, so it does not work in Studio. Let me publish this whole thing. Wait, so I'm publishing it right now. As you can see, it says test was published successfully, and now we'll see each other in Roblox when we are actually inside of the game and want to check if the text is getting filtered. Okay, so there we go. We are now in game. Now I'm just gonna enter this cuss word, so close your eyes, younger people. And there we go. So we are receiving hashtags. As you guys probably know, this is yeah, a signal that the text has been filtered. And yeah, so this works. Thank you guys for watching. I'll leave a link to this model in the description. And please do not forget to subscribe. And if you subscribe, turn on the notification bell, like this video, share it to all of your friends. Leave me feedback in the comment section, guys, and take care, and see you in the next video, guys.